Hey everybody, I'm back with another update of what's happening here in Southern Utah. And today I'm back out here at the St. George Airport where there's a lot going on. Today we're going to talk about the expansion of the airport as they're expanding it to be able to bring in more planes and bigger planes so that we have more connections right from St. George. Look forward to showing everything that's going on, so let's get started. So first up, to give a little history, the airport was located in the middle of St. George until 2011. They brought it out here on the southern end of town. And since 2013, they have actually doubled the passenger traffic out here, which they thought would happen in 30 years, not 10 years. So the last couple of years, they've been doing a lot of planning to expand this place so that we can continue to get more air connections and more airlines to come in here. So one of the main components for that was expanding the old commercial ramp that has now been doubled the size, and it just recently was finished. So now right outside the terminal, more planes and bigger planes will be able to come in and load and unload right here, which, like I said, is one of the main factors of being able to get more here. The other thing is the air control traffic tower. So up to this point, we haven't had our own tower here that controls all the communications for larger commercial planes leaving and coming from the airport. All of that communication has come out of LAX in California. So recently the state just approved funding for a tower that will be right here on the property, so all the big commercial airplanes can rely on the communications right here at the property. This will give more confidence to bigger airlines to be able to operate out of the St. George Airport. They are still going through federal approval, which they're hoping to get sometime in July, and then be able to start construction right after that. This will allow for double or triple the amount of traffic right here at the airport. So this, along with the commercial ramp, are going to be huge for big commercial airlines. Then as far as the terminal building itself, they do have plans to expand this as well, but it won't happen for another couple years. Currently, they are remodeling the observation deck upstairs. They're turning that into a restaurant and bar for people that have checked into their flights. So I know that's going to be a really huge component for the customer experience here. We actually just did have an announcement from SkyWest last week that they are bringing back the LAX flight that I know a lot of people are going to be excited about. This will run daily on the United Express flight and will add to the Phoenix, Salt Lake, Denver, and Dallas destinations that we already have, giving us back that connection to Southern California. So this, along with some other potential destinations down the road, is what I'm really excited for here at the St. George Airport. Now from there, we'll talk about the private side of the airport that has become more and more popular over the years as we get more and more need for private planes and jets that come through here. So there's two different fixed base operators that are in the works on remodeling and building new buildings. The first one is Million Air, which is a fixed base operator on the north side of the airport that is currently remodeling a building over there to be able to expand, as well as add a restaurant that will also be open to the public. Then on the south side of the terminal, we've got the other FBO, which is Sandstone, that is building a brand new building that will also feature a restaurant and bar that will be open to the public. So both of these are in the works. It's going to really help the private community as we get more events like the PGA Tour and other events out of Las Vegas that have overflow needs that I think is going to be really awesome for the airport. So between the commercial and private expansion out here, there's so much happening to make this airport better and better. More flights, bigger airplanes, and hopefully news of new destinations here soon. I, for one, as a traveler, I'm really looking forward to having these options here in St. George. And that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, a lot of good stuff happening out here at the airport that I am super pumped for. For more info on what's happening here in Southern Utah, you can call me or text me 435-357-1619, or find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Thanks, guys.